Hello, Shandu. Hello. Charmaine, who's this? Anala. Andisa. Hello, Leslie. Guys, yes, I'm gonna guys, how do you do? I'm still very happy. We just recorded a hit song. Thank you for the roses. Shakina! Oh, Shakina! How? How? Okay, please film me if you don't mind. Okay. So tell me, Nasila, ngekwazi konje. Oh, live. I remember you told me about a song, but I can't recall the name of the song. No, it's not the song. Part of this one today. Hola. Ah! Phindele move umhlengi uthi upuslim ngasho mina ukuthi angazi mina ngifike ngekho la cause nginabo abantu engibaficile ngakufonela ngifonela ku WhatsApp
Stay. Someone would see where they are. How long did he stay here? That's because Oh.
It's on the line.
So let's come back. Dog. Don't chat.
She said like my thing the creation is
Oh, please.
I think it's a bashile.
don't like that.
Are you sure? You sure?
Awumfethu imina kade
Ngidlala naye emakhadi.
imina kade ngimfonelile.
Uthi athi ngihamba ngoba
Chaba fethu
performance.
Ayi
Hlala nje phansi. Khona iHalloween party namhlanje.
angiyafika mina leyo.
Halloween namhlanje.
Isandla zakuza.
Illuminati. Abantu baselebrate Halloween.
You know what? Let me call. There's another cool band.
Need you to get flowers to start the farm. I'm going
Abantu bakhe. Anizingana abantu abangani bena bebiza abangani
Azongena.
Mina ngiyababiza. Ngibiza ke nonke. Kodwa labo athi laba yini? Yini?
Ile.
Laba.
Uma ngalabo athi laba vela la inhloko.
Awukahle memeza.
Umtshela Robert. Umtshela Robert sambile. Awutokusebenza nje umtshela. Yeah, I told him yesterday. I even told him to come here.
Uthini?
He came here for me.
Bayazi.
Should I Uber him in?
Hello, Master P. Hello. Anisibahle sanibona.
Someone on
Hello.
the right.
Yeah.
Oh, should I get kidding?
And uyena phela okwazi bonga. Umtshela uyena because iband singabiza uNtumela no fake
Yeah, they
kashaya.
only add on channel because
Azomtshelela ukwazi ukushaya maskandi.
controller, yeah.
Yabo uyena
Kufaneleni phela.
Samfonela simthombe ecingo nesiyazana lesi.
Akanamcini.
Shine a straight call. What is the okay value?
Straight call sick, you know, wagcina nje ukuthenga i-airtime.
I got crazy the time.
Ah, God, no, it's that.
Send one.
Kanti umasipala uzonitshela.
It's okay.
Uma lo
48
masipala
hours.
uzonitshela.